This week on Marketplace, a 1-hour special. We're testing home repairmen.
Jennifer, can you give us a level, please?
Wiring up a house with hidden cameras to find out if we get charged for repairs we don't need.
It's an electrical issue. It's a circuit board issue.
We're watching what goes down as it happens.
Look what he's doing. Look. Shh.
Will we get ripped off?
$990?
If we do, we're calling them on it.
My name is Tom Harrington.
Yeah.
I want to get your explanation about why you did that.
I don't need to give you explanation.
You won't believe what we catch on tape.
He just peed in the cup.
In this pleasant Toronto neighborhood, everything seems to be fine. But not in this home. Inside, there's a desperate housewife. On the plumbers, we're now testing dishwasher repairmen.
The bottom of my dishwasher is full of water and it won't drain.
There's nowhere for the water to go.
Gross.
But we know why the dishwasher isn't working.
Steve Brandon. Hey, Steve, Tom Harrington from Marketplace. Let's see what we can do.
It's because of this guy. He's gonna set up our test, but first, he gives it a clean bill of health.
In your view, this machine is in perfect working order?
I haven't been able to find the slightest thing wrong with it.
Steve Brannon's been fixing appliances for more than 30 years.
Sounds like a perfectly, good, well-operating machine to me.
We asked Steve to create a common problem any dishwasher repairman worth his soap can easily fix.
Something very simple. We're going to plug up that drain.
All Steve does is clog the hose with bits of paper napkin.
Just plugging it up like that, pushing it in.
It can happen with food or other material.
So he should be able to reach in with a screwdriver basically and clear it?
Basically clear it with a screwdriver. And there you go. And it's clear. Anyone coming into checking it should have that problem fixed in 5 to 10 minutes tops.
Question is, will the repairman drain Jennifer's dishwasher or her wallet? Here's our first call.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Good. So come on in.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Yeah, it's not draining.
Daniel's from Toronto Appliance Service and seems to have an instinct for what's wrong.
Okay, everything's stuck.
After just 2 minutes,
Is the green stuff?
Oh, yeah?
That's your problem.
What is it?
I don't know, I'm gonna see.
He's found the block. She knows it's there.
he's done in minutes, just as our expert Steve predicted. Same story with our next repairman.
Hi, how you doing? Good, thanks. Is it Bob?
Bobby.
Bobby.
Bobby and his partner are from Neighborhood Appliance Service.
It's not draining, is it?
It's not draining, yeah.
Faster than the rinse cycle, problem solved.
There's our blockage.
So what was the problem?
It seems like some stuff.
You too. Bye.
Well, that's 2 for 2. So far, these dishwasher repairmen are clean as a whistle.
Check, 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 check.
Okay.
I got her. Yeah,
Yes.
we got you.
While they can drain the
How
water,
are you?
can they hold their water?
It's a dishwasher right there.
And what did you say is happening?
There's water in the bottom.
It doesn't rain. Does it leak or anything?
No?
Leave it to me.
Okay. Thank you very much. You're the expert, I'll let you. Yeah, just let me know if you need me, I'll be in the next room.
Jerry of Express Appliance Service looks like another winner.
And here we go, right to the drain house.
He appears to be pulling it out. Okay.
As Steve predicted, the repair takes only a couple of minutes.
Well, that was fast. Now the question is, will he try to do something else?
Yep.
He does have something else to do. Clamping the hose, then hitting the drain button. In more ways than one.
He's looking off to the other room for some reason.
He's also taken a cup. He just peed in the cup.
Then he empties the cup in the sink, rinses it, and puts it back.
Ay vey.
That's the cup I use to put my tea bag in the dishwasher. I just...
Okay. Honestly, truth or dare, ever done that?
Not even in my own house, Tom.
Little did we know we needed to tell him where to find the bathroom.
Nice cleaning up. Glad to see that. Just make sure we wash everything on that counter.
And if you think that's the last thing we'll have to clean up, think again. Coming up,
Always gotta take a leak.
and things get soggy in the kitchen.
What a mess.
I would stop him now.
Next week on Marketplace,
I was just in shock.
I'm frustrated and I'm ticked off.
the tricky world of travel health insurance.
Did you ever think for a second that your dad wouldn't be covered through his insurance?
No.
On Hidden Camera, travel agents give dangerous advice.
As long as you have no complications with that, then they'll cover you.
Well, that's just simply wrong.
Imagine paying for a product that could cost your life savings.
$346,000? We're in financial ruin.
This cries out for some accountability.
Join Erica Johnson and me every Friday night at 8:30 in Newfoundland on Marketplace.